Are we alone in the universe? This is the cosmic question that has ignited human curiosity and imagination for centuries. As we look up at the star-studded sky, we can't help but wonder if there's someone or something looking back at us from a distant world. The search for extraterrestrial life is a fascinating journey that has captivated us, offering a tantalizing prospect of finding life beyond our home planet. In this modern age, with our ever-expanding scientific and technological capabilities, we've been able to delve deeper into this question than ever before. We've sent spacecrafts to the farthest reaches of our solar system, peered into the vast expanse of the cosmos, and discovered new worlds that were once beyond our wildest dreams. This journey of cosmic curiosity is not just about seeking answers to our questions. It's about exploring the unknown, pushing the boundaries of our knowledge, and embarking on what is truly the ultimate adventure. Life, as we know it, thrives under certain conditions. But what about life as we don't know it? Let's take a moment to consider the concept of life. What is it really? We're familiar with life as it exists here on Earth, where conditions are just right for a diverse array of organisms to flourish. But as we cast our gaze outwards, into the seemingly infinite expanse of the cosmos, we're forced to grapple with a new question. Could life exist in conditions vastly different from those on our home planet? To answer that question, we need to explore the concept of extremophiles. These are microorganisms that thrive in what we would consider extreme environments, conditions that are hostile to most known forms of life. From the scorching heat of hydrothermal vents deep in the ocean to the frozen wastelands of Antarctica, these hardy creatures have adapted to survive and even flourish. What's truly fascinating is that these extremophiles don't just survive in these extreme conditions, they actually require them to live. They've evolved over countless generations to exploit these unique environments, proving that life is not only adaptable, but tenacious in its will to exist. So what does this mean for the search for extraterrestrial life? Well, it broadens the possibilities. If life can survive in the harshest conditions on Earth, then why not on Mars or Europa, or even a distant exoplanet? It's a tantalizing thought, one that drives our curiosity and fuels our exploration of the cosmos. But it's not just about finding life, it's about understanding the sheer potential of life, the myriad forms it can take, and the diverse environments in which it can exist. It's about redefining our understanding of what life is and what it could be. So, as we continue our search for extraterrestrial life, we must remember the lessons learned from our own planet. Life is resilient, adaptable, and capable of thriving in conditions we can barely imagine. The existence of extremophiles on Earth opens up exciting possibilities for life beyond our planet. The universe is vast, so how do we even begin to look for life out there? Well, the answer lies in the impressive array of tools and technologies we've developed. Take space telescopes, for instance. These unsung heroes of cosmic exploration, like the Hubble Space Telescope, peer into the cosmos, capturing stunning images and invaluable data. They can identify possible exoplanets by watching for tiny dips in a star's brightness as a planet passes in front of it. Then we have robotic missions like the Mars rovers, which explore celestial bodies up close and personal. They analyze soil samples, map terrains, and even look for signs of water, a key ingredient for life as we know it. Even here on Earth, advanced computer simulations help scientists model and predict where life could potentially exist on distant worlds. These tools have taken us far beyond our celestial backyard, probing the deepest corners of the cosmos. Beyond our solar system, a multitude of worlds awaits. These are known as exoplanets, planets that orbit stars other than our Sun. The first confirmation of an exoplanet came not too long ago, in the late 20th century, but since then, the count has skyrocketed to over 4,000. Just imagine, each of these exoplanets, a world as real as our own, orbiting its own star, with its own unique set of characteristics. Some are gas giants, larger than our Jupiter, while others are rocky worlds not too different from our Earth. Further expanding our cosmic horizons, we have the concept of exomoons, moons that orbit these exoplanets. While their existence is yet to be confirmed, the potential is there, and with it, the possibilities multiply. You see, these exoplanets and potential exomoons are not just heavenly bodies to add to our astronomical catalogs. They represent potential homes for life as we know it, and perhaps life as we don't know it. The search for life, after all, is not limited to planets like our Earth. Life might exist in the gas clouds of a giant planet or beneath the icy surface of a distant moon. The extremophiles on Earth, organisms that thrive in extreme conditions, have shown us the surprising resilience and adaptability of life. And so, we look to these exoplanets and exomoons, with their diverse environments, as potential cradles of life. Scientists use advanced techniques like the transit method or radial velocity to detect these distant worlds and study their atmospheres for signs of life, such as water vapor or oxygen. But the search is not easy. These worlds are incredibly distant, their signals faint and often masked by their bright host stars. Yet, despite the challenges, the quest continues, driven by our innate curiosity and the tantalizing possibility of finding life beyond our home planet. The discovery of these distant worlds has revolutionized our understanding of the universe and where life might exist. Some missions have brought us closer than ever to answering the cosmic question. In the quest for extraterrestrial life, our cosmic explorations have taken us to far-flung corners of the universe. One such mission was the Kepler Space Telescope, launched in March of 2009. Kepler's primary aim? To hunt for exoplanets in the habitable zones of stars, where liquid water, a key ingredient for life as we know it, could potentially exist. And the telescope didn't disappoint. Over its 9-year mission, Kepler discovered over 2,000 confirmed exoplanets, a handful of which reside in their star's habitable zone. Kepler's discoveries have not only expanded our knowledge, but also our perspective, showing us that potentially habitable worlds are more common than we previously thought. Closer to home, we've sent robotic ambassadors to our neighboring planet, Mars, in the hopes of finding signs of past or present life. Mars rovers like Spirit, Opportunity, Curiosity, and most recently, Perseverance, have been our eyes and ears on the Martian surface. They've investigated rock formations, drilled into the Martian soil, and analyzed the chemical composition of the red planet. These missions have provided compelling evidence that Mars once had conditions suitable for life. Take Perseverance, for instance. This intrepid rover's main scientific goal is to explore Jezero Crater, a site believed to have been an ancient lake. With its onboard laboratory, Perseverance has the capability to search for signs of past microbial life, paving the way for future missions that could potentially return these samples to Earth. But our search isn't confined to our solar system alone. Projects like Breakthrough Starshot aim to send ultra-fast, lightweight spacecraft to our nearest star system, Alpha Centauri, in hopes of finding potentially habitable planets. These missions have not only expanded our cosmic horizons, but also brought us closer to finding the answer to our question. The search for extraterrestrial life is far from over. In fact, we are in an exciting phase of this cosmic quest. Astrobiology, the study of life in the universe, is a rapidly growing field. Scientists are constantly developing new methods to detect signs of life beyond our home planet. Ongoing missions like NASA's Mars 2020 rover Perseverance are currently exploring other worlds for signs of past or present life. Future prospects are also intriguing. Upcoming missions aim to probe the icy moons of Jupiter and Saturn, which may harbor subsurface oceans. And let's not forget the search for extraterrestrial intelligence, or SETI. This effort focuses on detecting signals from advanced civilizations in distant star systems. Though we haven't received a cosmic call yet, the vastness of the universe reminds us to stay hopeful. As we continue our cosmic quest, who knows what we might discover next? Yet the universe remains eerily silent. This silence is the essence of the Fermi paradox, a cosmic conundrum named after physicist Enrico Fermi. It's a question that haunts every space enthusiast and scientist. With the vastness of the universe and the countless stars and planets, why have we not encountered any sign of extraterrestrial life? The challenges in the quest for extraterrestrial life are immense. We're not just looking for a needle in a haystack. It's more like finding a specific grain of sand on all the beaches of Earth. The distances are staggering, the signals we're trying to detect are faint, and even if we did detect something, interpreting it is another Herculean task. Adding to the complexity is the debate over what constitutes life. Are we only looking for life as we know it, based on DNA and proteins, or should we consider other possibilities like silicon-based life forms? Despite the silence, we press on, driven by the tantalizing possibility of finding life beyond Earth. The search for extraterrestrial life is more than a scientific endeavor. It's a testament to our innate curiosity, our relentless pursuit of knowledge, and our unwavering hope to answer one of humanity's oldest questions. Are we alone in the universe? From understanding life's extreme possibilities on Earth to harnessing advanced technology and venturing beyond our cosmic neighborhood, we've expanded our horizons in unimaginable ways. The discovery of exoplanets and exomoons has opened up a universe of possibilities, with countless worlds that may harbor life. Despite the challenges and debates, scientists and researchers tirelessly continue their quest, driven by the tantalizing prospect of finding life beyond Earth. As we stand at the threshold of new discoveries, the search for extraterrestrial life remains one of the most exciting frontiers in science. As we gaze up at the stars, we are reminded of our place in the cosmos and the mysteries that await us.